Hi, we are going to show you how to install Google Drive file stream onto your desktop computer. This will allow you, it's like a backdoor little way to save any document, a smart notebook, a Word file directly into your Google Drive in the cloud so that you don't have to save it onto your desktop first and then pick it up from Google Drive. So what you will do is you will go into Google Drive and you will click on the little settings cog. It looks like the little cog, and you're going to pick Get Drive File Stream for Windows. So when you click on that, you'll be sent to a Google Drive help screen like this, and you're going to scroll down to where it says Download Install Drive File Stream. And then if you're at school, you'll say Download for Windows. Now, just a side note, I use this on my Mac all the time, and it is super slick, so it works good for either. So we're going to pick Download for Windows. And down in the bottom left-hand corner, probably you'll get a little pop-up like you do with any download. You click on that, and then you choose Run. And we're going to say yes. Now at this point, it likely will ask you to log in twice, and you'll see the Prairie Rose login, and you would do that. And that quickly, it could be done. So now, when I want to save a document, we should have left that notebook open. So I'm going to just open up a Word document here just so you can see how it works. And now when I take my blank document and I go File, Save As, in this case I'll have to go Browse. Right down here it should say Google Drive File Stream, which it doesn't yet. But it will. Let's just give it a second.